This here is what I like to call the dynamic duo, not just because they match in color. Allow me to explain. As a matter of fact, why don't I show you? It's powered on. Open up the Mimo app and just make sure that my Bluetooth is on. That's pretty much it. And I like this little nifty feature. You just turn it left and right to go between landscape and portrait mode. Now, in case you don't know what B-roll is, it's pretty much the footage that you're watching right now while I'm speaking into the camera. You can't see me speaking because you're watching the footage. Cut back to me now. See me? I'm over here. I'm A-roll. B-roll is what you were seeing just now. That helps to make the image a little bit more pleasing. It's a great way to show off products or anything that you want to show while you're sharing your story or talking to people like I'm talking to you. I just prefer to have this off. You don't have to, it's all preference. I just like the short snub handle. Example, look at this one. I pretty much just line up over my subject, which is the drone. I don't do anything. I don't press any buttons because whichever direction I move, the gimbal will move, right? Now I don't want it to move much, but I want nice, smooth shots. So what I'll do, I'll start pointing down, I'll hit the record button, and as I'm rolling through, I start looking up slowly. Boom. And what I like to do, like you just saw there, that's one shot. I like to come in the frame with my B-roll and then out the frame. Of course, I'm a drone guy, so what do you expect to see? Drones, right? How about this shot? Look at this shot. We center up the gimbal nice. We're just gonna cut straight across just like that. 3, 2, 1, action. There comes the drone in the shot, and then the drone leaves. Here we go. Drone in the shot. Oops, I hit the wall, drone out of the shot. You can also adjust the stick speed, which is good. I'm gonna go with slow because B-roll, definitely slow is definitely the way to go. You can also do like top down. You could do a reveal, like look at this. This is the shot that I'm going for, right? And it's always good to stop record between shots and then start recording. So I'm gonna look down like that, so I'm focused on the nice little wooden details there, and then I'm gonna rise up into the drone. I'm gonna click on the drone to focus on the drone. All right, I'm gonna look down, and then on 3, 2, 1, hit record, and then slowly just rise up. The beauty with using your phone is that whatever you make, you can edit and share right away. So let's move on. Next, let's look at the mode that I'm most excited about, which is tracking for tutorials. So check this out. I head over to the screen. I hit this little hand that says off, and I turn gesture control on. Now with that mode on, basically I can activate the camera by showing it 2 fingers. There you go. Now it's tracking me just by showing that sign. It's ridiculous. This is like, really, it's like having an autonomous camera person. I mean, this is such a huge help for tutorials. So let's say I wanted to show you how to operate a Mavic drone, right? Now I don't need a camera guy. Now I don't need to be messing and fiddling with the camera. I would start by saying, first you turn your controller on right here by pressing and holding this button. Then you fold open your drone's legs like this. You press and hold the power button, and then you give it a minute or so because the drone has to communicate and get, well, satellites in the sky. Once those satellites communicate with the drone, then it will allow you to take off. It's a bit windy right now. Let's hope the Mavic doesn't blow away. Let's see if you can see the wind. Can you see those trees? Like it's really windy. I'm not sure the full scope that it has, but let's see. How much more can you go? I think that's pretty much it, but can you see it's pretty wide? Look at the trees over there. But either which way, we'll give it a shot, take it off and see what happens. Sticks down and in. The motor start up, and then you just take the left stick and you push it up. Wow, there goes the birds. There goes the birds. Can you see the birds? Can you see the birds? Can you see them? Can you see them? Let's go up. Stop scaring the birds, Meanie. Oh, the birds. Okay, the birds don't like it too much, so. What I want to see is if I turn my back and I walk away. I mean, this thing is reliable, and I'm on an old phone, right? I'm on a pretty old phone. Can you imagine like a newer phone? So now that the tutorial is done, right? The make-believe tutorial, now I can land my drone. Wow, 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 wow. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Really? Let's come over here. Really? Do you want better than this for what, 150 bucks? Are you still here? Really? Wow. The best part is, what if you got a car or something, like right here? Let's see if we can track the car. There's like a puddle of water over here. See it right here? I want to drive through that puddle. So let's draw a box around this car. And basically, let's see if it'll follow the car. We're backing up, we're backing up, we're backing up. It seems to be holding, seems to be following. There we go. There's our shot. I'm on the gas. Woohoo! I think we got it. I think it works. Let's go see. Look for somewhere cool. Right, like here, there's roads, there's streets, there's people passing. Go to Timelapse and click this drop-down menu. Hit the intervals. Let's do every 0.5 seconds. I want the shot to be 1 minute max of lapse. And let's click here, and you get the options for a path. Let's click, this is the first path, maximum of 4 paths. And then we'll go here, but I kind of want to raise up and catch the clouds while the traffic at the set time. So let's make this path number 2, and that's it. I want a 1 minute video, and then when you're done there, you just hit the red record button, and the camera will do it for you. Osmo also has a lot of cool, fun features just to have fun. Even if it's just filming your kids and memories to keep. Likewise this, even if it's just flying for fun, very capable drone. These are great, cool, affordable tools. In a world where smartphones are just dominating right now, this is probably one of the most useful and affordable tools. With that being said, please smash the thumbs up if you're out there and you're watching my videos. Of course, make sure you hit subscribe if you're new here and you have not subscribed already. Hit the bell if you haven't hit the bell, so that way you can get notified when I release new Osmo or Mavic videos. I am in the comment section, so do leave your comment below and let me know if you want to see more of these type of videos, demonstrations, and tutorials. I will catch you guys whenever I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and madmixtube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you. Sick isn't even the word to describe this thing. Oh my gosh, DJI does it again. DJI. You've done it again. What next? Perfect blend of software and compact hardware.